What is budget? Budget is a formal financial statement of expenditure for future. What does that mean? It means that in future how much expenditure we are going to do for generating revenue, especially if we are talking about housekeeping department in hotel we basically make budget for six month. So for period of 6 month, January to June, we are going to make a budget. In this budget we are going to show how much expenditure we are going to do to run our department for this 6 month. And when we are making a budget, we have to keep our revenue in mind, how much occupancy we are going to have during this 6 month. That forecast we need to have. On the basis of that forecast we have to make the budget. We have to calculate our expenditure. In budget we basically talk about capital budget, we talk about operating budget. When we are talking about capital budget, we have to talk about what machineries we are going to purchase. If housekeeping needs to purchase equipment, they are going to purchase vacuum cleaner, carpet shampooing machine, floor scrubbing machine. So they have to separate the certain amount of money for purchasing all those things. So this will come under capital budget. Even the purchase of linens, purchase of uniform, purchase of certain supplies in room, carpets, curtains, all these things comes under capital budget. If we talk about operating budget, so how much money the housekeeping is going to spend in this 6 month on staff salaries. So salary is the biggest operating expenditure for housekeeping department. Then how much amount of money you are going to spend on a cleaning agent, small cleaning equipments, room supplies, amount of money you are going to spend on a staff training programs, even operating cost of department like electricity bills, telephone bills, stationery item. All these things comes under operating budget. Even the purchase of flowers for flower arrangement, pest control, all these things is a part of operating budget. So as a executive housekeeper, while making a budget, you have to think about capital budget, operating budget, calculate the overall expenditure you are going to do in this coming 6 month. And before doing that, you have to keep your revenue also in mind. In coming 6 month, what would be our revenue structure? For calculating the revenue, you have to see forecast, occupancy forecast. On the basis of that, we can calculate. And even before making a budget, we have to take the record of past year's budget. So if this is a 2022, then we have to see the budget of 2021, 2020, even 2019, and on the basis of that we can do a good calculation and we can make a proper budget for our department. Thank you.